Good morning, Men of Iron supporters. Man, this is Garrett Barbush here, Executive Director of Men of Iron, and it is hard to believe that 2016 is more than halfway past us, but I wanted to take this time as the Executive Director on behalf of our staff and our board and just the organization to give a quick update on what it is that we've been doing this year. Man, we've been having a ton of fun. There's been a lot of hours, a lot of travel, and just a lot of overall hard work put forth to the ministry this year, and we find it very important to keep you guys updated so you guys know exactly what it is that we're spending our time doing. But let me just give a quick update first in regards to our number of church partners and the number of men involved in the ministry. So God has allowed us the opportunity to build partnerships with 20 churches across the country. That means that we've been able to bless 20 churches with the Men of Iron ministry for free. And we're just so excited about the doors that God has opened for that to happen, but none of that would be possible without your key financial support that some of you give to us on a monthly basis, from $27 a month to some of you are giving over $1,000 a month. And so, man, we're just so blessed by those of you that have jumped on board. If you're out there and you are looking for a good organization or a good cause to give to, man, we would welcome that. We would welcome your support and your prayers because that just allows us to continue to grow into more churches, which allows us to impact more men. And speaking of men, we've got in those 20 churches 550 men involved in the ministry currently in 2016. They are either mentors or proteges, and man, we're just seeing it firsthand that these churches are being blessed by the ministry. God is using the ministry in big ways to radically change men's lives, from marriages to relationships with children to just their relationships, a personal relationship with Him. Man, it's just unbelievable to see how God is using the ministry in different ways to impact men differently. And so, man, we're just so excited about what is going on. Let me give you a quick update on some new things that we've been doing this year. And that is, we've been going to each of our regions, each of our cities that we have a presence in. We're now in 5 states: Pennsylvania, Ohio, New Jersey, Florida, and Kansas. We've been traveling to each of those regions that we're in, and we've been hosting luncheons with our current church partners, who then invite new prospective church partners in so that we can share why we do what we do, how we do that, and what we do. And so we share that we've got a calling. We share that we, obviously form church partners, and the way that we do that is we form, we help with and implement the ministry. And so we're just so excited about that. We're seeing, because of these luncheons, because of the fact that we're able to travel and do these luncheons, we're seeing that regions are going to be growing dramatically in the number of church partners, just because we're willing to go to those places, and God is bringing these churches in that are saying, you know what, yes, we want to mentor our men. We want to see men follow after the calling to be godly leaders in their homes, in their communities, in their churches. And these pastors and churches are jumping on board to be blessed by Men of Iron. And again, none of this would be possible without your support. There's been a huge project that we've been working on, and you can read a little bit about that. You can see our new logo. It's been a rebranding project, which has opened up the door to a new website. And it's not just a new website just to have a new website, but it's really going to be helpful for a lot of our churches on the back end to be able to sign in and to be able to kind of manage the ministry from the website standpoint. And so we're excited about this big project we've been working on, with a new logo, with a new brand, with a new website, with new messaging that we're going to have. And that's going to open up the door to new resources that we provide to the churches. And so, again, none of this would be possible without your support. And we're just so grateful for every single one of you that supports us from a financial standpoint, to being involved in the ministry as a mentor or protege, to being a church partner of ours, to being a pastor. Maybe you're directing the ministry. Man, listen, this is not having an impact in one little area. We're seeing it having an impact across the country, and we're just super excited about what God's got for us in the future. And so check out the rest of this email, read about the testimony, read about the updates. If you guys would love to get together with us, we would welcome that as a staff. Reach out to us so we can grab coffee with you, have a conference call with you, have a video conference, whatever you want to do. We would love to give you more updates. So be blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If there's anything we can do for any of you, please don't hesitate to reach out. God bless. Have a great day. Was borrowed for 3 days.
his body there.